Here we go. Are you ready? Yeah. Man, wasted. Yeah. I'm almost there. Man. I'm blowing every day, I don't play, man, I am a G. But you know I blaze so much weed, I can't even see. Man, I need them fucking glasses, maybe even contacts. But you know that I smoke so much, my lungs collapse. In my chest, man, I take a breath. Now you know what, I'm about to fucking get everything that's left. In that bowl I smoke it all, even all that resin. But you know what, I keep on testing on you punk ass bitches, on all you haters. But you know I'm fucking going through space like the Space Raiders, going on a spaceship, man, I'm in the stars. But you know I'm driving badass cars, man, I'm a Mars floating, man, I keep on tripping, looking, I don't even care, I see the cops, then I'm booking different directions, maybe intersections, I don't even give a fuck. The good message that I'm trying to send, the best TXT, I don't even give a fuck. Your girl next to me, I blaze a tree, I blaze a G, blaze a pound, then you hear the sound, man, I'm the best in town. I go around, man, I shake it up, I'm always baking, man, I'm always speaking the truth, I'm never fucking faking, man, I'm fucking inside in so many spots that you have to open up the book and connect the dots to my places, to my pages, to my books, to my shelves, to my looks, not my crooks, to my friends, to my Benz, to my Beamer. But you know what, I even need to get the fucking scene out your fucking head, cause I'm about to leave all you feds all dead, cause I'm not joking, man, I'm fucking blasting, man, I'm fucking so high, I'm like, what happened? Why am I rapping? Cause I like to do it, man, I love it. Now you know you can take that 9 and straight shove it in your face, I'll fucking blast, blow your brains out. And now you know what, I bring the new things out. Yeah, I'm bringing new, man, I'm all blue. Now you know I take you to a whole brand new level. When you on the news, you felt like you got used, cause you now you don't look like you got abused, cause you's a little bitch, man, you all punks. I don't even give a fuck, I'm in the trunk, fucking knocking off our kickers. And you know what, I'm fucking getting sicker, getting drunk, I don't even know. I'm about to get off this beat, man, I don't blow. Fucking 5.0 on the fucking breathalyzer, you know. I don't even know I'm drunk, maybe I'm faded, but you know I took a hit of weed, my high escalated to a new fucking position. Now you know I need to get subtraction, maybe add addition, yeah. Going on a mission, maybe multiplication, but you know I'm always playing on your radio station. Got so many stats like a Dalmatian. Now you know what, look at my straight creation, coming from the ground up, turn the sound up, fucking put you in the clip, blaze the round up, in the AK, maybe in the Uzi, but I'll fucking straight kill you like a scary movie. Going sick, going iller, I'm blowing on that killer, but you know I'm wrecking cities like Godzilla. Run, cause I'm smashing Tokyo, but you know I need to hit that shit one more time, give it one more go. You never know, man, I need to feel what's real, man, I don't take the pill, I fucking spill like that glass off the table, fucking bust your TV and pull your cable. Man, you ain't watching nothing, ain't flipping through channels, but you know what, I'm digging your head through panels, in your walls, I'm putting holes in your floors, fucking knocking your head right through windows and doors, man. I'm about to fall. Huh.